Alright, so we're going to simplify the expression natural log of x minus 4 times the natural log of x plus 3. So we've got two properties we're going to apply here. One property is the natural log of x minus the natural log of y, so subtracting two logs. That will give me the natural log of the quotient x over y. Okay, but once again, this requires there to be just one or no additional coefficients in front of those, which when I compare up top here, I have a 4 in front of the second one. So I also need the other property that allows me to take excuse me, a coefficient and move it inside as an exponent. So b times the natural log of x could come in as natural log of x raised to the b. So I'm going to apply that first in my problem. Okay, I'm going to leave the natural log of x by itself. And I'm going to say minus natural log of x plus 3 to the fourth. So I'm moving that 4 in as an exponent. And then I've got two things here. I've got, let's use a different color to kind of highlight. I've got an x, which is obviously an x, and then I've got a x plus 3 to the fourth, which is the placeholder for the y part here. So when I do that, I can build my quotient. It'll be natural log of x over x plus 3 to the fourth. And there we have it combined into one logarithm. Thank you.